in the final way. It's more safe.
Yep, let's go.
Safe in the car door.
Ang sarap pala car dun sa carpet mo. Makakatch pa natin yung 10.50 na.
Oo.
Ay, bariya.
Car park. Parking dito. Yan ang parking. Dito sa tabi yan ang train station. Riles. Rail Library and Information Center. Tapos, yan na ang station.
Ika na ba?
Bus station din ito. Isang bus station nila dito, Foxhole via Mardon Road. Kapihan. Yun ang Poundland, no? Bite ticket and trains, oh. Okay. May sports hostel. Maliit hostel. Yan ang train station. Lapit lang ang parking. Ang daan.
Are we supposed to go? Or go up? Go, di ba?
Oh, go yan. Kasi naka-open siya, pwede kang tumawid. Hindi ka pwede tumawid dyan pagka naka-close. Open siya. Yun, pwede magtawiran. Ayun ang ano, yun ang vote ba? Okay. Okay. Ito na ang second time namin. Second attempt.
Park here.
Ha? Ha?
Yeah. Kita park here.
Ewan ko, not sure. Wow, Defender, oh, yung lumang klase na. Ah, astig. Wala ko mo. Yan na ang steam trains, boat trips. Yan ang sasakyan natin, di ba?
Asis masisimulan mo yung pagtaklagay nila ng pool.
Yan. So, ito na ang final namin. Nakakasakay na kami.
Hi.
Hi, good morning. Tapos mayroon dito train. Ito na. Pero tayo dito. Mamaya. Remembrance. Souvenir ba? Souvenir. Ano ah? Ganito itsura niya. Typical plastic siya. Ayos na. Ang souvenir pagka-uwi mamaya. Ayos. Diyan tayo. Ang souvenir nila. Big Jigs Rail puro mga kwento nila dito. Yan ang mga Thomas and Friends. Reto train. Puro sa train station. Yan ang mga bato. Team Railway. Ayun. Sombrero. Ito, maganda. Dark Steam Railway Hercules. Bakal, no? Wow. Ito, maganda. Bakal talaga siya. 24 pounds. Ito talagang magandang ano, bakal para
We
pang
got
ano.
it.
Okay.
That's the ticket.
Wow, nice. Sige, yun. Ito. Yan, pwede na to. Kaysa yung plastic. Tapos maliit lang to. Kasi sa ano natin. Pili ka. Black at saka green. Ito naman yung totally black. Yung ano, Hercules. Yun o, yung bakal. Ito maganda yung Hercules. Ano kaya ang sasakyan natin? Tatlong klase pala yan. Kaya ang gusto ni Belo, yung ganito. Iniipon niya, di ba? Ayos na.
Let's go to the train.
Thor, where are you?
Souvenir pa lang talaga to.
Oh, souvenir shop.
Thomas, lima na tayo dyan. Thomas, do you have a ticket? Let's go. Thomas, look. Dito ka ng ticket. Come on. Thomas. Thomas, come here.
Yan no, sombrero.
So nice.
Wow, here's the Devon Del Train. Ayan, ayan. Ayan. Yun, no? Ayun. Hehehe. Saan na? Kaya na ba? Nabasan? Okay. Ito na pala. Let's go! Come na. Ito, para sa unahan tayo. Para kita natin ang ano.
Sabi dito, Courage E.
Hmm?
Courage E.
Oh, may ano pala. Meron palang seat number na ano.
Ha?
May seat number siya.
Magkaiba tayo?
Hindi, kasama. Pero ay, akala ko kung saan sabi ko dyan sa unahan, no? Ba, ang ganda ng upuan niyo. Ayan.
Yan, first class.
First class.
Courage E.
Ayan yata. Ayan o, 16.
E. E.
E. Number.
Pay on train 3.
Ito na yan.
Follow the steam.
Ah, sa ganito siguro tayo style, oh. Ayun na. Typical. Ayun na, oh. Yun yung nagalagay ng mga uling, eh. Tor, are you ready?
Excited to go on a
Si
train.
Totor, oh. Parang si Rapi talaga maglakad. Tinki-tinki.
Scared?
No, you don't be
Why?
scared. Ito lang ka?
No. We're gonna sit on the train na.
You're gonna go on the train. Nasa pulik.
Saan tayo ba?
Sis, photo kayong family. Diyan, sa train.
Oh, steam train. Yan, nakakalain mo yun. Ang ilaw nilang uling. Steam. Sige, kahit saan.
Number is this.
Wow.
Pwede tayong... Pwede ka parang magpatalon-talon dito tayo.
Ito ang mait. Passengers pa.
Hanggang doon. Same lang. Basta teka lang. Thank you so much. Wow, ito siya. Yan, ito iba na. So, ibang ano naman siya. D. Ito ang D coach. Iba ang kulay ng D coach. So, A, B, C, D. Hanggang doon ang A sa unahan. Okay. Ito, wala siyang ano. Division na katulad nung doon sa amin na ano talaga, harap-harapan lang. Tingnan nga natin yung doon sa C, anong itsura. Okay. Sa C, parang D lang din. Okay. The same. Coach D. Ganito lang siya. Yan. Typical. Yes na. Ganyan. Yan. Yan. Hi. Hi. Wow. Hi, Toto. Storage. Tapos ito. Okay. Dito ang anak. Storage. Meron pa. Makikit. Trolley. Yan. Dito ang anak. Bilog. Ilalagyan sila. Tapos. Dito na ang F. EFG. Hanggang G lang. Okay. That's it. Nakasarap. Hey! Hinahanap ko.
Kingsworth to Dartmouth. All today by 7827 Lytham Manor. Steam locomotive built at Swindon in 1950.
1950.
Maganda siyang
Once underway, we'll be carrying out a ticket check. If you can keep them ready, that would be very helpful. And passengers in the rear coach, the Devon Bell Observation Saloon, my colleague will be around shortly to collect the supplementary fares.
Okay.
We do hope you enjoy your journey with us, and we'll be departing shortly.
Dapat natutulog ka ng aga to.
Tor. Tor. Hi. Tell hi to your friends.
No.
Hi, friends.
Hi, friend.
Okay, hi, friends. You're kissing your friends. Are you kissing?
No, no.
Okay.
Oh, pwede. Mula isabit.
Okay.
Ito yung sinuotan natin kanina.
Look, yesterday we ordered.
Bye-bye.
Yung sinuotan natin kahapon.
Kaligaw-ligaw.
Yan, nausok na talaga. Oh.
Look to baby.
Ay, they are excited to Thomas Train.
Hey, it's me, Thomas.
Yes, it's you.
Thomas.
Nausok siya. Oh.
Neighbors, kumakain na.
Morning, sir.
First,
Okay, they're collecting the tickets.
Hello.
Morning.
Where's your ticket?
Where's your ticket, love?
Where's your ticket? Okay, thank you so much.
It's mine.
Oh, it's mine.
Okay.
Oh, no. Oh, dampot na yan. That's yours and for mommy? Oh, yun na, yun na. Ayun na, yun na, yun na.
Yun na. Wow. Ayan na yung bahay natin na. Diba? Yan no? Means may
Ito na yung
pool.
pinagligawan natin.
Wow. Ayan na oh. Ito pala yung sinasabi. Bro.
Wow.
Yun.
So
Malapit lang pala.
Parang ang liit naman din.
Oh.
This is all.
Ayun pala dun eh. Kala
Oh, ito rin oh. Andito ang beach oh.
Saan yan?
Nasa unahan lang natin. Bali nasa kaano.
Bye! Say
No.
bye!
I'm on top.
Tamang sa...
Wow.
Ang hinahon ng tubig
Ah, nag-sayo sa tatay.
ay naghahalina.
Wow, ayan o. Ayan mo sila. Yay! Hi! Totor! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, say bye-bye, Thomas.
Para yung babae bro.
Wala,
Hahalinahin
andito
ka
lang
pa.
pala oh.
Nako.
So, ang linaw pa ng tubig dito sis oh.
Saan to?
Parang sa taas lang natin.
Oo, kasi kita ko yung pirates ano natin.
Oo. Ang ganda oh.
Hindi ko na napansin yung pinagligawan natin.
Di ba tayo doon sa kabila?
Sa kabila.
Sa kabila tayo doon. Doon tayo. Ito dito saan?
Wow!
Oh. Teka, dito tayo.
Diyan tayo kahapon.
Kahapon.
Wow, Tor! You are on the top! Yeah? Yeah, you are on the top.
Ito na ba yun? Ito na yung ano natin, yung
Diyan tayo kahapon. Kahapon bro. yan
wow, ang
kahapon.
ganda ng cove na to. Ito, magandang paliguan. Yan, no? Yan. Yan, magandang paliguan, sis. Ba ito?
Walang
Yan ang
access,
maganda.
bro. Walang
Oh.
access.
Ito, oh.
Tutalon ka na lang.
Oh.
Ay, bakit?
Bye! Bye-bye ito!
Ayun yung pinapangalanan natin, eh.
Bye-bye!
Ano ba yun?
Hindi, iba pa.
Diba pa?
Bye!
Ay, everyone is waving at Thomas. They are so friendly.
Are they your
I
friends?
think Thomas have a lot of friends.
Kung dadaan pa to yung parang bridge na umilalim tayo sa bridge, di ba? Yung parang pinicturan natin.
Thomas last week wala si Seti.
Oh, ito ng beach na pinuntan natin.
Yan
Ito.
na ba? Ayun na yun.
Oh, yan.
Yung kita natin ng train.
Oo,
Ayun,
yan
ayun,
na.
ayun.
So it means nandito pa, meron pa doon. Malapit lang. Tapos dadaan tayo ngayon sa yung bridge na ano. Yan. Diyan, nandun sa kabila ang ano, yung Elberry Cove. Yan na siya. Oh. Okay. Wow, Toro, look at them.
Ang nakakatawa doon, no? Isang view.
Lalaki ng mga-
Ay, Thomas, cow! A lot of cows there, you see.
Ayun yung nakita natin
Ayun.
cows.
Tor, look at that.
The cows.
Look at the cows. There is brown, black. How many cow, Tor? You don't know?
Only one?
Only one.
Alone? Why?
It's only one.
Okay.
No friends for that cow?
Oh, ito na tayo dumaan yata. Ito na yung,
Tulay, no?
yung tulay na ano.
Pinipicture natin dyan.
Oo.
Dalawang kulay yun eh. Ayan na yun.
Ito na. Ito na. Ito na. Ang galing. Ay, ito na yung tulay, sis, oh. Ito na yung tulay, sis. Ito na, bro. Tulay.
Ah, yun na yun.
Yan, ito na. Yan. This is it. Pansit. Wow.
Thomas house.
Wow. Ganda. Na, tunog na.
Tunnel.
Tunnel daw, tunnel.
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 Oh, Thomas, we're going in a tunnel.
Oh. Too dark.
Sa tunnel lang.
So long.
Mas matindi talaga yung ano, yung train sa London.
Tayo lang na nagkikita-kita.
Parang ang pagkita ni ganito lang, oh. Yung sa London.
Yung mga ano,
Oo, yung
truck
mga
nila.
choke. Oo.
Wow, dilim.
So long.
So dark. Sa ano.
Door.
Oo, isa pa ano. Well, the tunnel.
Too dark.
Wait. You have to wait.
Okay.
You're gonna see the lights. Lapit.
Haba ah.
Mahaba siya, oh.
Kevin, mahabang hukay ah. Bundok na dinaanan to.
Ayun na, may tunan yung
Na. Yun! Wow! Thank you Lord. Labas na kami. And there's
There's
a
light.
Always light in the end of the tunnel.
What is a tunnel gonna be so long?
Yeah, so long so we can pass. Big ticket.
So,
Ah, parang sa Pilipinas lang to.
wow.
Ate bro,
Sige na. Yan. Hello.
itong pala yan.
Wow.
The marina. Yeah, yeah, it is. Sorry for the car ferry.
Passengers going over the Dartford and returning by train later in the day, please allow yourselves at least 30 minutes to return ferry crossing to an local train service. You'll find your train card with you at the place of your ticket. So please move along.
Yun. Dito na daw kami ng Kingswear. Ito na ng railway. Damn.
Tayong 2
Bakit pakiapat ng sombrero?
2 hours tayo
Please.
magano dito?
2 hours tayo dito?
Ah, okay.
Ah.
Pero may ferry pa yata kayo pupuntahan.
Oh, may pera pa diba?
Ayan!
Nag-i bag bike.
Hey, mommy, go.
Mami,
Yan. Ito pala siya. Wow, ang ganda ng view bro. Oh, yun oh. Punta sa taas.
Sabi ko nga,
No.
di ba?
Ayan na bro yung mga uling oh. Punong-puno ng uling.
Ah, nilalagay nila.
Ayun oh. Yung tumatakbo na yan oh. Oo. Oo. Yun siya. Oh. Tor. May kalaban ka pala dito, Tor. Oh.
Pirate, no? Your soul.
Your sword, oh. Oh, oh. Look at him.
So yung humila sa atin, umatras lang. Hihila na naman pabalik. Oo, umalis na siya, oh. Dito siya galing eh. Tapos umatras. Isa lang pala yun. So ibig sabihin, isa lang siyang gumagana.
Pabalik-balik.
Balik-balik lang siya. Kaya ang uling, siyang load lang, di ba?
Load lang sila ng load.
Masyado na nila yun.
Oo.
Hindi totoo yung naisip natin na magpapauling sila ulit.
Mhm.
Pag modern na kasi bro, parehas yung kabilang side.
Oo.
May operator.
May operator. Eh ito wala. Pero ano, stig no?
Magpe-ferry muna daw tayo bago pumunta sa boat eh. Hanapin natin yung sakay ng ferry.
Pero yung oras ng ferry.
Wala ko sa ferry. Yung boat ang may oras. So, wala tayong mag-boat pero alam natin yung ferry. Nasaan siya?
Yun ang anuhin. Tatanong. Daily so yan ang ihian. Ito may kapihan. Ayan, may kapihan dito. Ito, straight on for ferry. Way out. Dito daw. Yan o. Way out. Straight on for ferry. Way out. Straight on for ferry. Oh, ito na ang uling bro. Ginagamit nila. Mga uling oh.
Kahit mabasa siya,
Oo.
sa ako yan siya, dire-diretso siya.
Yan yung klaseng uling na ginagamit nila, oh. Yan, oh. Charcoal niya. Diba?
Ito na siguro yun. Itong tulay. Ayun na, ferry.
Tatawa ko sa ferry.
Ha?
Tawag ng ship. Dito.
Ito na ferry.
O yan na, kaya pala sila naghabulan na ta. Baka maiwan tayo.
Ito na yung ferry. Dito bro. Pakabalik ka bro.
Ayun, dito pala. Kaliwa pala, nasa UK na pala. Ayun na bro yung barge, oh. Bye, let's go! Wala, tayo na lang yata ang inaantay. Tayo na lang palang inaantay, tayo na. Sorry. Alright. Ay, kami na lang palang inaantay. Tayo na lang palang inaantay, right? Thank you. Wow.
Sarado sila.
Hello.
Pwede ka makain lumabas.
Nako sa labas. Nako lang dito, bro. Gusto mo dito? Bro, dito tayo dito.
Well, a very warm welcome aboard the Dartmouth Princess for our short ferry crossing over to Dartmouth. Now, for those of you that have just joined us from the train, I do just have a little bit of ticket information for you. Now, some of you will be doing a steamer cruise. Now, that entitles you to an hour-long harbour cruise. And that will be on board a different vessel named the Dart Explorer. Now, that is that large blue and white vessel dead ahead of us. Now, we will be landing you on the same pontoon as that vessel. And your designated sailing time for your harbour cruise will be printed on your ticket.
Ayun.
Now, for those of you that will be returning back to Paignton by steam train today, Now you will need to catch the ferry back across. We are the only ferry running today, so you need to look out for the Dartmouth Princess. And we will be departing from the same berth where we'll be dropping you off at in a few moments' time. Now we do ask that you catch the ferry no later than half an hour before your scheduled train. This should then allow us enough time to get you back across so that you don't miss it. So once again, please do be here on the pontoon in Dartmouth, ready to catch the ferry at least half an hour before your train is due to depart. Now I do hope you enjoy the rest of your day in Dartmouth, and we'll see you back on board a little bit later.
Di ba nga? Ano pa yung leader? Yan ko po na leader na. Yan ko po na selfie video. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Steven din ba? Kaya sa phone?
Doon pala ang daanan sa ano, sa kabila. Bro. Dito ang hagdan papunta sa taas. Ayan na. Ito yung sasakyan natin, di ba? Dart Explorer. Yun na yun.
12 o'clock yung ano natin, yung kabila. Pwede pa tayo mag-ikot.
Yan yung sasakyan ng barko na yun. 12.
Pagkasala mo na kung nasaan na siya.
Umalis na si ano, sinakyan namin kanina. Bye. Nausok at na sipol pa.
Ano yung liblib na lugar mo?
Galing. Yung napapanood ko lang sa movies, yung dalawang magkamatanda. Kabangka-bangka. Yun. Ganda ng bahay na yun, no? Stick. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So where's the exit here? This one. Alright. Let's. Yan, sinakyan namin. Kami lang ang inantay. Sorry naman. Tapos, ito na sasakyan natin ulit, oh. Dart Explorer. Wow!
Dami nang naikot, wala ka pa.
Ha?
Dami mo lang mong inikot to, Day.
Oo nga, sulit, ah.
Bigay, tatlong.
Oh, ang ganda nun, ah, ng view. Tapos andun ng train. Wow.
Maaga pa yun, no?
Ta? Cruise ship. Parehas lang.
Ang rope kasi pala.
Ayan, no? Yung mga sa pelikula lang na napapanood, no?
Julia Roberts style.
Ayan, no? Wow, ang ganda nito, oh.
Yan na daw yun eh.
Ayun na yun.
Yan na mismo.
Ayan, round robin.
Balik tayo ng mga 11:30 na lang. Opo.
Wow, ang ganda. Ito yung town ni. Life boy? Sabon to, ah. So ito. Yo, ang tubig niya. Ang nilaw-nilaw. May park doon. Ang galing. Town Council Office, Tourist Information Center, Coronation Park, Toilets, Avenue Gardens, Police Station, Library and Arts. Okay. Tapos ipapunta daw doon St. Xavier Church, Marriage Cogo, Holy Fort Hospital, Park, Riverside. Yun, may sundalo. Uy! May mga kabayan. Ay, kabayan. Ay, mga kabayan. Saan kayo galing, kabayan? Oh, galing naman. Ay, mga kabayan.
Tayo ay nasa shop mo. Dock mo.
Oh, may peanut.
Ayun. Lakad lang tayo dyan sa kalsada. Nasa may bulaklak. Anong view meron sila dito o may iyan doon. Ayan. View. So ito ang sasakyan namin, round road, circular tour. So ibig sabihin, dito kami manggagaling.
Sa dulo.
Papunta doon, hanggang doon sa dulo. Yun. Kasi dito kami naka-stay. Yung train na sinakyan namin, yan ang way niya. Hanggang dyan. Dito kami nag-stop. Okay. Ah, yun ang turn.
Because you're gonna stay 1 hour there, so we need to take papers.
Ah, okay. Wington. So, Wington. Yung nadaanan namin na isa, steam train. Okay. Dahil mo, ito na yun, no? Ito na yun. Dito. Yan siya. River Cruise. Yan yung mamaya. Ah, ito yung Dartmouth. Yung sinasabi na bato. Pinagpatong-patong. So, Ayan ang buong map niya. Okay. Ito yun siya. Darmo. Yung plaza nila eh. Doon store. Ayun. Hello mga kabayan, tayo na?
Ay, kabayan. Saan pa
Ay, kabayan.
Maglibot-libot.
Dito lang kabayan kasi may sundalo din doon na gwardiya na sundalo, walang problema. Secured tayo dito kabayan. Hello kabayan. Alright.
Look for...
Ayun.
Ako live. Tunog pa lang.
Ayun. Kami ay pupunta. Bibili muna ng kape bago sasakay. Ganda ang araw na. May live ko na pala dito.
Since Sunday all the lights are shining and the sky's fading red to blue.
Ito na yung kapehan ba ito? Iya, with milk, Americano.
And then can we have one cappuccino ice cream? Yeah, and one scoop. Yeah, one scoop please. And can I have one chocolate? Serious chocolate?
Diba ito, ano siya, gluten free, egg free, not free, no added colors. Sige lang, mamaya, pagka. Lagay niya na. Yes, thank you. Yeah. Ayun, no? Ayun. Ito ba yung sasakyan natin? Ha?
Dark Explorer.
Okay. Diyan na sila. Na, sasakay na. Yun. Hilig sila magkuha-kuha ng ano, malimang ganyan. Ang libangan nila dito, nakakabili sila ng ano. Pero yun ang sasakyan namin. Let's go, Totor! Eh, si Chloe, oh. Parang ganyan ang aso ni Rose dati, si Chloe, ganyan. Oh.
Retriever?
Golden Retriever, oh. Mas malaki lang kaysa dyan. Ah, tayo na. Let's go. Kingsway Pasture. Ewan ko, dito siguro.
Ah, yan.
Sorry. Hintay na.
Hawak ko siya ito.
Sige na. Doon tayo sa taas para mas kita. Doon tayo sa likod mismo.
Ang castle po naman sinasabi ni Mrs. nandun. Iikot pala siya.
Oo. Pupunta muna yan doon. Pupunta muna doon sa ano,
Dito
tapos
muna, bro.
babalik.
Dito. Dito ko siya unang pumunta eh.
Ah, okay.
Sumikot
Umikot
siya sa
siya.
dagat. Tapos babalik ulit.
Ah, okay. Lalabas siya sa dagat.
Kasi dito siya dito siya nagmula eh. Kanina kasi dito siya umalis.
Oh.
Tapos dito na siya nagmula. So, sa
Okay.
dagat. Iikot siya sa dagat.
Oh.
Kaya natin.
Okay.
Dito siya kanina lumabas eh. Umalis. Pero dito siya nagmula. Doon sa may castle doon.
Oo.
Pero masarap yung yung ice cream. Masarap yung pagka-ice cream niya. So, gusto nito. Tikman mo mga ice cream namin. Masarap ang pagka-ice cream niya.
Yan.
Nagustuhan ko ito eh.
Ah, ito na yung mga kasabay namin kanina. Yan. River Cruise.
Hi. Hello. Thank you.
Yun, sa taas tayo. Ito tayo sa dulo. Oh. Ito yung sa kaliwa. Sana hindi sila pupunta yun. Yung kaliwang yan.
Ito?
Oo. Oo, yan. Para kita natin. Yan.
Para yung mga gamit dito na lang.
Yan o. Yan.
Dito sa gilid may patay na space din.
Tali mo muna bro bago gumulong.
Yun.
Maluwag yung bag na yan.
Ba't pakihawak saglit? Yan o. Oh, may mga kabayan. So, ito ang barko. Tapos, dito mas maganda ang view. Okay. Okay. We are leaving. Thor. We are leaving na.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dark Explorer. This is, of course, our lovely river cruise along the beautiful river Dark.
Yun. So, ikot nga siya bro dito.
Far underway though, I do just need to make a very brief but very important safety announcement. So if I could just have your attention at least for that portion of the journey, that would be much appreciated. Really just to let you know, that the vessel that we're all sat on, the Dark Explorer, is fully certified by the MCA. As such, has come fully equipped with all of the life-saving apparatus one might need in eventuality
Yan.
in time of emergency. This does come in the form of life rafts and life rings, as well as life flips.
Cold drinks wala sa baba.
Life jackets are spread evenly around the boat, very large boxes and droppers.
Siyempre di mo kakuha. Yan talaga yung
Wow, diretso muna.
Kind of emergency.
ang cold
Of
drinks.
course,
Dito
brought to your
talaga yung
attention via the
gano'n.
ship's
Hindi
PA
ko
system.
wala.
Dumiretso muna bro.
7 or more short blasts from the ship's
Dumiretso muna.
Oo, kita ko nga sila. Dito nga
In
siya.
that very unlikely event, we were just asked that you
Kaya
please
nagtaka ako doon sila galing.
Kaya nga eh.
Baka umikot sila bro.
please just follow
Kasi yun ang ano, sinasabi ko yung bangka-bangka na yun pala bro. 120
Oo.
for 2 hours yun.
Ay, malilit na yun.
members on board at the moment.
Apat na tao, pwede.
Introduction.
Wala na, plus isang bata.
The helm of the vessel.
Dito na lang tayo para
Oo, relax na to. Oo.
Be marked.
Hindi na tayo
My name is
nagmamahin
Jay.
bro.
I'll be giving you a little bit of a headache. Sorry, a little bit of commentary along the way. And downstairs in the bar, or otherwise floating around close to somewhere hopefully. And most importantly, the lovely Joe. Say most importantly, Joe will be only too happy to serve you with any teas, coffees, hot chocolates, wine, spirits, margaritas, cider, or indeed any other refreshments required from the bar. For your convenience, we of course also have toilets on board. Those are situated just behind the bar area to the left and right hand side.
where you will find
Malamig, anak.
respectively one bright pink bucket and one dark blue bucket. The pink bucket does seem to be preferred by the ladies. Now we also
ito pala ang
respectfully ask,
dulo
ladies
niyo.
and gentlemen, you empty those buckets over the side of the boat yourselves. And of course, before you do so, check wind direction first. As I said, my name is Jay. I'll be giving you a little bit of commentary along the way, but truth be told, it has been said on more than one occasion. I don't really know what I'm talking about most of the time. What I actually mean is that I'm going to spend the next hour of our lives making up a whole load of lies and nonsense about the boat, the crew, the river, and anything else I can think of. When you leave the boat, I'm just going to hope that you believe every word I said, and that you don't write another letter of complaint to my boss, which sadly happens more often than you might think. But our first point of interest really is high up on the left-hand side, up on the hilltop there, that rather large red and grey brick building. And that is the Royal Naval College.
Oh, college pala yun, no?
The
Nakataas na
Royal
yan.
Naval College was laid back in 1902 by King Edward VII. And the college was completed by 1905. Since then, they've been training approximately 200 new cadets per year. These are all officer cadets. And they don't just come from the English Royal Navy, they're actually sent here from over 50 different Commonwealth countries to be trained as naval officers.
Or you want to be a naval officer? You study there. Mommy will love it. She will come with you.
I was just having to slow down slightly earlier to that rather large blue and white vessel pulling out ahead of us there. And that's the Hire Car Ferry. There's actually been a ferry crossing here, interestingly enough, of one description or another, for 195 years now. This is, I think, the 12th vessel to be placed here to perform this function.
Yun daw,
and
no?
replaced an
Yung
old
ferry na yun.
paddle-driven vessel. This one was built by a company in Holland, purpose-built, should I say, for this particular crossing at a cost of around £4.5 million. It's actually twice the size of the old one, and therefore carries twice as many passengers. Also, conveniently, it does the journey in about half the time. But of course, the result of that is that it will cost you very nearly twice as much. Interestingly as well, on some of the older satellite navigation systems, this particular ferry crossing actually doesn't show up as a ferry crossing, it shows up as a continuation of the B road, or a bridge. But if you do come down here a little bit too late in the evening, you might just find that that bridge, or B road, has in fact gone home for the night. And that will result in a 26-mile round trip across through Totnes in order to get to the other side.
Ayun, no? Floating, ano? Sinasabi niya. Floating bridge na.
Ay, may bridge yan, sis. Ayun o.
Oh, yan nga. Ganyan nga siya.
Bridge yan, bridge yan. Ayun o, yun o. Sumakay sila.
Ganyan yung sinakyan natin sa ano, yung Scotland tayo. Ay, Bournemouth ba yun? Yan, ganyan na. Floating bridge na tinatawag. Yan.
Ayun o. Yung kabila. Kabila kami.
Yun, no?
Nakasakay din sa... floating bridge.
Yun, ang floating bridge sa Bournemouth. Kami nakasakay ng ganon.
Send ko na lang sa'yo, sis.
Pinasis na naman. Ginagawa tayong phone na yun. Okay,
Babantay siya sa ito.
nagre-ready ako sa ating cabin mo.
Well, relax. Sige, relax ka lang yan, bro. Mamaya tulog ako eh. Ikaw naman ang busy.
Yun, no? Sina kabayan, no? Mga kabayan, kumusta kayo dyan? Oo. Teka.
And this is small key to our left-hand side now.
Kaya naman.
Key, quite possibly the smallest naval
Tignan ko sila mamaya.
country. It is in fact more or less just an extension of the Royal Naval College. You can see there's various buildings there. The last one on the end there, the white one. That's
The white one.
maritime training area. I'll tell you a little bit more about it.
Yun daw. Yun no, ang ganda. Yung mga bahay na yun.
Coming up ahead of us there on our right hand side, we've got 600 lovely new moorings. But I keep calling them new moorings, this was relatively new to the area. They were established about the last 10 to 12 years or so. They're actually all part of a much larger development that you'll be able to see going on in the background, with the large cranes and the buildings that are being erected over there. Originally though, this was in fact a site for Phillips and Sons, very famous boat builders, and they actually built quite a few well-known vessels, ferries across the Mersey for example. Probably the best known vessel they ever built though would have been the British Steel. That was built specifically for Shane Blythe. He did use that boat to quite famously become the very first person to be recorded circumnavigating the world backwards. And not literally in reverse of course, because let's face it, that would just be ridiculous. He did it against the prevailing tides and winds, which I'm told counts as doing it backwards. Of course, Phillips and Sons is no longer operating in the area. They haven't done for quite a number of years now. So about 13 years ago, the whole area in sight was brought up by Premier Marinas. They're the ones that have installed these 300 new berths here and started the development over there. The large buildings that you can see going up there is part of a new complex, going to include a lovely new 5-star luxury hotel, as well as a spa. When they actually purchased this site, they also applied for planning permission to build another 200 homes in the local area, but they were told at the time under no certain terms that if they were to be granted planning permission, they would first have to agree to build a large percentage of those homes as affordable homes for the locals only. Which, as you can imagine, ladies and gents, we got quite excited about. Because, well, I probably don't need to tell you this, but affordable homes in this part of the world are very hard to find. But as I said, we got quite excited. Sadly though, our excitement was quite short-lived, because only 2 months after they started building, they very quietly released the proposed prices of these very affordable new homes. And as it turns out, a small two-bedroom apartment is going to have the very reasonable starting price of around £850,000. So, who they think they're affordable for, but certainly isn't me. Just noticed we're being approached on our left-hand side by a green and cream-coloured boat. That's the Christie Belle. That's a ferry service that runs people from the Dartmouth town pontoon, where we just picked you up, to Green Bay Quay. Now, I'd like you to keep something in mind, ladies and gentlemen, and that is the fact that we are also a ferry company on this river. In fact, we're the largest ferry company on this river. And technically, this small boat is our only competition. So as they go by, please don't worry that one. Of course, any other hand gestures you might want to point in their direction, that's perfectly acceptable. In fact, we're almost easy.
Ako potensya.
Of course, I'm joking, ladies and gentlemen. We're actually good friends on the river. If you're planning a visit to Green Bay or the Christie Estates, that's probably the best way to get there.
Yung ginagawa. Solar. Mga solar siya. Dito na yata iikot. Hanggang dito na lang siya. Ganda nito. Ayun na, kung garan ka ng boat na maliit, dito ka pupunta, gano'n na yun. Parang ginagawa naman ngayon.
Yung pala yung purpose to.
Purpose. Kung gusto mo mag-gilid-gilid, wala naman buhaya dyan. Pero alam mo yung may isang may isang kami napuntahan, ano nga yung bait? Yung sabi niya mayroon daw, parang monster, something. Kung makita nyo, si Nessie, pag
sa Scotland daw.
Oo. Pag napicturean nyo yun, mayroon may reward.
May reward na pag sino makakuha ng picture. Isda siguro para
Ayan o, ang galing o. Ellie, tatay.
Consists mostly of sessile local stunted oak, as it's also known. When Phillips and Sons were still operating in the area as boat builders, they actually used the wood as a source of timber. Apparently, sessile oak does lend itself very well to the boat building industry. These days it's where the cutting ones.
Ayun na ang train o. Dumaan siya. Yan ang train. Steam train.
Those all once granted to Sir Walter Raleigh, that his services rendered to the monarchy at the time good success. No real written record of what the services actually were, but we do believe it had something to do with the importation of the technology.
1, 2, 3.
It really didn't do Sir Walter Raleigh very much good. Afterwards, that's a fame on the crown. Actually, very unceremoniously burned into the Tower of London for the next 13
Guys,
years.
oh.
Of course, he was eventually released. Sadly, though, only to be recaptured a short while later. This
Totor.
time was a bit more serious. He was in fact tried for the crime of treason.
Tor.
Now, some of us might know. A very short time after the trial, very clumsily managed to misplace his
I
own
saw
neck.
him.
But Sir Walter Raleigh had very deep ties in this part of the world, and I'll probably mention him one or two more times. I'd just like to say at this point that it's well worth keeping your eyes out for some of the local wildlife that we might come across along the way, ladies and gents. We're pretty lucky on the River Drive. We have quite an abundance of it. There's quite a variety of different birds. We can probably expect to see green swan, guinea, geese, shelter, oyster catcher, kingfisher, curlew, just to name a few. It's well worth keeping your eyes on the water's surface as well. If you happen to spot something that might appear to be a bit of a large black labrador swimming around in the water, that's most likely going to be one of two different things. It will either be the head of a large black labrador that's decided to go for a swim in the river, but much more likely it's going to be an Atlantic race. We're pretty lucky to have quite a bunch of those in the river, and we see them more or less on a daily basis. Hopefully this trip will be no good. Keep your eyes on the water's edge as well, on the woodland, etc. We're lucky enough, we can catch a glimpse of some of the rarer animals that we don't get to see quite as often. If we're lucky enough, we might be able to spot, I don't know, some brown bears, hippopotamus, maybe the old rhinoceros or two. One day I was really lucky, I actually managed to catch a glimpse of a Tyrannosaurus Rex, came crashing through the woods, just the things out by the river. Trust me, you never know what you're going to spot. And of course, since I'm already talking about dinosaurs,
Ayun na, dinosaur.
That's one of the longest disturbing experience. It was on the river Don. He actually passed his test, believe it or not, an astonishing 3.5 weeks ago now. Of course, at that time he was so stressed out, he took a couple of weeks off. Back last night, fairly sure we're going to.
Mababalita yun. Mababalita talaga yun. Mga baba, oh. Nag-ano sila, oh. Dikit-dikit.
Wow, ang ganda yun, no? May, ano. Ayun na, oh. Yung bridge. Wow. Dami palang bridge na style na ganun.
Well, these estates that we're passing by on the right-hand side now, the most celebrated estates on the River Don.
So hanggang dyan lang yata tayo, tapos ikot na.
Originally, those are Gilbert estates belonging to the Gilbert brothers.
Ito, ang ganda ng ano nito.
As you know, the Gilbert brothers were the half-brother of Sir Walter Raleigh. And I say, very deep ties in this part of the world. And in fact, the estate to our right-hand side is where he spent quite a few of his formative years growing up. No doubt, playing in those fields.
Ano kaya?
Later on in life, when he had his warship, the Roebuck, he used to moor it more or less in this exact spot. This being more or less the deepest part of the river, about 70 feet in water below us here at the river. The lovely boathouse on the right-hand side, in fact, wasn't the site of Sir Walter Raleigh's original boathouse. The only original parts left nowadays is the three-stone archway down the very base, way down to 12.5 acres. little bit of local wildlife on the right hand side.
Bye-bye. Hi.
These people have taken part in the house and gardens tour of the Hampton
Ah, simbahan pala yan.
The house
Simbahan.
itself, visible coming up now on the right hand side, high up through the treetops.
Gabi mo.
Probably just getting a little bit thicker this time of the year, so it's a little bit difficult to spot. We'll get a glimpse of it. It's a 3-storied, cream-coloured Georgian mansion.
Wow, ayun
First
taas.
bought this as a summer retreat, along with 180
mag-retreat.
acres of estate back in 1939. At the time, she had to pay the rent
Mag-retreat ka, maganda dyan.
of £6,000.
Yun.
These days, of course, worth tens of millions.
Wow.
Of course, that much land and garden was quite unmanageable, really, so she actually donated all to the National Trust quite generously. The house went to her daughter, Miss Rosalind Hicks. Miss Rosalind Hicks sadly passed away in the early part of the 2000s. And when she did so, she quite
Yan,
generously
nasa
bequeathed
taas
the
na yan.
house to the National Trust as well.
Yun, ikot na daw tayo.
Make it turn here, so we'll get a bit of a glimpse of Greenway House. As I said, Greenway House was bequeathed to the National Trust behind Miss Rosalind Hicks. And they have in fact spent £9.5 million restoring it back to its former glory. Now, I've got to be honest, I haven't actually visited it myself, but Joanne downstairs in the bar, she's visited it. She was quite impressed. And it is said that the house has been restored to such detail that you might believe that Dame Agatha Christie actually has just left this morning to go out and get a pint of milk. She hasn't come back yet. Of course, Agatha Christie was only born 8 miles away from here in Torquay, in a town called Babylon, a subsection of Torquay called Babbacombe. And she was, of course, eventually the most successful novelist in history. Actually, over 1 billion copies of her books have been sold in the English language alone, and over 1 billion copies in 52 other languages.
Yan, babalik na kami. Tapos kuhaan natin ang train.
Isang balik pa niyan. Yun na yung sasakyan natin. Isang balik pa.
Yun na ang train.
Isang balik pa ng train. Tayo na kasunod. Ayun. Oh, basa.
We're also going to be passing by the higher car ferry again.
Yun. Mausap.
Right, notice actually that it doesn't have any wrong notice that it has got.
Yan, sasakyan namin mamaya.
Propulsion is completely different. It's actually tethered on both sides of the river on 2 steel cables. That's its only means of propulsion, run through a system of pulleys. First stop to check whether the anchor was actually attached to the vessel or not. As it turns out, it wasn't. So now, somewhere deep beneath us lies a large anchor with all of its chain rusting away. By the time the ferry was brought to a complete halt, it had caused £1.2 million worth of damage. Years ago, it was a lot of money, ladies and gentlemen. Still is now, I suppose. But of course, the hire car ferry company were not too happy, and they actually sacked the boy down deck, by the way. In fact, they took the opportunity to use him as a scapegoat and blame the whole story affair on him, which of course ruined his reputation as a deckhand in the local area.
Oo.
The result of that, of course, was that he sadly found it almost impossible to find any kind of gainful employment in the local area again for a number of years. Luckily enough, though, a couple of years ago, this company did eventually feel sorry for me. Decided to give me a job instead. All kidding aside, our private orange tugboat actually performs a 180-degree manoeuvre. We attach it to the stern line and then allows it to go back into forward and cross the river. Now, this does mean that a vessel that is restricted in its ability to pick up and get into the station around on the left-hand side. The fact that they were restricted in their ability to manoeuvre is indicated that other reasons are that black ball, diamond, ball formation shape. That's intuitive, elsewhere. Just an indicator that it is such a vessel.
Ganda oh. Mapagkagawa.
Hindi umaangat yung flag.
car. And these areas are generally regarded to be the most expensive, luxurious, and desirable parts of Dartmouth, which, as you can imagine, is the reason where I live there. As a matter of fact, I'm actually very proud of the fact that I've recently purchased property on the Dartmouth side. It's a very difficult thing to do these days, some people do as well. I'm very proud of the fact that I've recently purchased property in the town. And if you look over to the right-hand side of it, which is slightly higher up the hill, about where the street line starts, it's quite possible
Yun daw sa taas.
to be able to spot the glimpse of my very recently purchased small green tent.
Bakit?
Sabi niya, nakabili daw siya ng property recently.
Oh.
So, very proud daw siya dyan. Baka daw makita natin. Very small green tent.
Ha?
Sabi natin,
Very small green tent.
tent lang ang nabili.
Nabili na.
Hindi wala buong bahay. Tent lang.
Wow, ang ganda ba ito? Selfie ka dyan. Papunta doon. Selfie ka doon. Papunta doon. Selfie. Ayan na, castle.
Ano na? Yung remote. Nasaan yung remote?
The restaurant with this mouth, we have a couple of cars. One of house. English, so it's good. And then the Dartmouth Castle.
Ayan ang castle.
The Dartmouth Castle is the third
Oh, yun, no?
castle
Church.
that has been built on that exact site. It's also the smallest of the three that were built there. It's in fact one of the very first castles in the country to have been built and designed specifically with sea as well as river defence in mind. By that, what I mean is that it has cannon placements facing both out to sea as well as inland upriver. Part of the defence system for the local area and the local villages that rely upon this to stop any marauders coming along the river and ransacking the villages. The two castles were once linked by a big steel chain that would lie on the river's bed, and it would be pulled tight on a pulley system to stop any vessels.
Ayun no, may mga libingan.
That's a short blast on the ship's hull. You haven't had a view to worry about. Mark indicating to other river users that we're about to turn.
Ayun, yan na siya.
We of course don't have indicators the same way cars do, so instead of using lights, use a series of sound indications. The mark blast is on twice, pretty much the equivalent of you using the indicator stalk in your car as turning left. Well, that is of course unless you happen to drive a BMW, in which case you've probably never heard of an indicator stalk, I would imagine.
Castle. Yun, ayos na. Pabalik na. Pabalik na kami. Then, kita mo yung view.
This doesn't of course mean that we're now making our way back towards the Dartmouth Council building.
May mga bahay dito. May sariling ano talaga, parking ano, speedboat nila.
Ano bro?
Mga sariling parking ano, yung speedboat nila sa ilalim ng bahay.
Ito mo, special yan.
Oo nga.
Talagang pinalagyan ng kwarto dun sa
Galing. Ando na naman yung bridge ano, boat.
If you have enjoyed my commentary, ladies and gentlemen, my name is James. Of course, if you didn't enjoy my commentary, then my name is Susie. But if you have enjoyed your journey and would like to show your appreciation to the skipper and the crew, it's been a long-standing tradition since the days of the original paddle steamer of placing the captain's hat down by the gateway where you disembark.
Yun, yung sa
Of
taas
course,
na yun.
anything you care to place into the hat to show your appreciation is done so.
Yung sa taas na yun, no?
So please don't be obliged. I can
Mga
tell you
garden
that
nila.
placed into the hat, gratefully received, is equally split amongst all of the crew at the end of the day. Then, of course,
Ano yun? Parang ano?
very heavily taxed by the
Yun, no?
pirate
Yung sa taas.
But it does come back to us very quickly
Yun, no?
to our respect.
Oo, ano nga yun?
Oh.
Ayan, yun bro.
Parang ano? Oo.
Brings the boat alongside. If you could please remain seated until we're safely tied up, and we'll let you know when it's safe to disembark. If you're not going to be seated, please do just take an effort to hold on to something else.
Galing oh. Sa taas talaga eh.
Someone though. Try and make sure it's someone nice
Okay.
to go. Or want to get to know a little bit more.
We're going back. Yun na.
I'm still leaving you with people in peace now. I do have to pretend to earn a living on my boat, so I'm going to go downstairs and help Joe fire. Once again, from the crew of the Dark Explorer,
Ah, yun pala oh, Cottage Hospital.
Sis, ayan na, Cottage Hospital.
Yan no? Cottage Hospital.
First mo na lang mag-CPR sa bangka.
Ay, hindi niya naranasan kasi yung pinadala yung sa Garbal. So, sa ambulance na may...
Si Jim kasi sinabi niya ikaw.
Ah, yun ang sabi kanina yung ano, yung bahay ng ano, yun ba yun na? Yung puti.
Hindi, lagpas pa dyan.
Lagpas pa dyan, no? Okay. Ayun, ah. Bangka. Yun. We're back. Alright, ito na.
Kasi bibigyan ko kayo ganito sa kanya natin. Hindi na tayo mag-iisip. Paano ka pong makikita doon?
Kaya na? Let's go. Baba na, kahit ingat-ingat lang. Alalay. Let's go.
I don't mind you're loose. No, it's alright. That was me, I just let mine go loose. There we go, ladies and gents. One of my colleagues are with you on the stern of the boat there, so it's disembark. Please do mind the stern hands. Bye-bye.
Hmm?
May barya.
Bakit?
Lagay mo dun sa loob sa ano ng dress mo sila.
Bari ya, meron ako bari.
Bye-bye guys, thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Yes, bye. Yun, tapos Dark Explorer.
Tingnan natin kung iba ang efficiency sa ganitong probinsya. Pasok tayo sa loob.
Yun, saan?
Nare.
Okay, saan tayo pupunta?
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. Okay.
Fine. I think my bag is heavy.
Bigyan mo sa akin.
Is it?
Ay.
Yeah?
Oh, bakit?
Heavy. I don't know.
Tubig mo
The
yata
water.
nila. Naglagay ka ng tubig.
The water
Ayos lang.
make it heavy.
White stuff. Ito ng town-town niya.
Gusto mo dyan bumili pa sa lubog?
Saan?
Yan, look dyan.
Flat jacket.
Parang
Ay, oo, pwede. Mamaya. So wala na tayong oras. Dire-diretso na tayo uwi eh. Wow, isang town nila.
Wow.
Bite. Hit ng sasakyanan si Lolo. Yun. Yun, church doon. Kahit pakihaw.
Pwede naman tayo hindi mag-fish and chips, but gusto ng Chinese.
Wow, ganda nito oh.
Gusto yaksa.
Take away yan sa fish and chips. Okay. Titikman daw namin ang fish and chips. Wow. We're quite cold. Davidson. Dito tayo. Silip lang ako saglit ha. Ano? New Agents Toys. Ayan, nasa loob dito mga toys niya. Dito. Ito, ang ganda. Mga ana din. Pasalubong. Hello. Can I take a video? It's fine. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's see. It's okay. Thank you. Wala ang laman.
We've seen in the shop along the way, that little...
The Holy Rolls. Kain ng anak ng aso.
Anyways, we'll see you later.
Yeah, good luck, mate.
Yeah, I gotta keep in mind.
Rolls pockets. Ay, dito si Kabayan, no? Ito, kabayan. Dito mga kabayan natin, no?
Hindi lang ako nakilamay na.
Bisitahin natin itong isang simbahan. Welcome to Saint Savior's Church. Oh. Pakitaan lang po. Ayan siya. Ito ang itsura niya. Grabe, oh. Sarado na pala. Church close. Wow, ganda. Dito ang entrance. Paris, the glory of God of Iron Shroud. Ayan siya. Ang galing. Oh, may tao din sa loob, ah. Church. Grabe ang daan dito, ah. Ayan, oh. RC Pillar and Sunsnail. Wow. Wow, ang ganda. Jeez. So, ang ganda. Talaga naman. Wow. Ayan, may cross. Is it allowed to go inside? Is it okay to go inside? Okay, thank you. Yes, sir. Ang ganda. Yung church. Ngayon isa ang church nito pang charity. Isa. Ayan siya. Ganda. Founded in 2086. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya. Talagang antique. Mahilig sila sa mga ibon. Yan. Hello. Halika kayo dito sa loob.
Ayoko, mataas.
Hindi, dito lang sa likod kayo dumaan.
CR na sila.
Mm.
Ako lang ang naiwan
Okay.
dito sa pinag-iwanan mo sa akin.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.